kind of like the way Matthew's life has gone. Everything that we think like not possible becomes possible.
Matthew is Grandview's 2025 Dream Week kid, with interests in gymnastics, Taylor Swift, and Paw Patrol. Adopted from China, Matthew's parents, Jennifer and Zach, love to see him smile.
We weren't planning on really adopting. We just kind of were, we talked about it, but we were sitting on a couch one day and I was looking through some files and Matthew's picture showed up and I was just hey, look at this little boy. And he's like, that's our son.
Yeah, the picture that we saw, he was in his orphanage, and he just was like thumbs up, smiling, and it was just, and that is just like his character and everything he does.
What gets him smiling the most, though, is his love for gymnastics, a love he inherited from his sister Brooke.
I love gymnastics like so much, and I play at home like after school, and like yes, I love playing gymnastics very much, and I love this sport. My sister Brooke, she went to like football games, and she goes to like gymnastics, so that's amazing that how like she gets to like experience like the whole thing there. So Brooke taught me how to do gymnastics, and I really think because she was a gymnast and I was like, I want to just be like her, and I just want to do gymnastics just like her. When Matthew came home from China, like his sister was competing and he literally wore a leotard for I think 7 years, and like did her floor routines and like loved it.
After adopting Matthew, he was diagnosed with cerebral palsy, a disorder which impairs balance, mobility, and posture, but has varying degrees of impact from case to case.
So when we first found out that he had that, it's minimal information that you receive. We actually were told that his brain was very messy. That was the words that they used. We knew the diagnosis, but you don't really know what else is attached to that initial diagnosis. We didn't even know he could walk, actually. And then 3 months before we brought him home, we got a video of him like waddling at age, I think 2, and like trying to throw a basketball hoop in. And we're like, oh my gosh, he can walk. Like our kids were crying. Like we had no idea our kid was gonna walk. And I thought, we can do that. We can manage mobility. Mobility tends to be the least of his concerns. It's navigating that he has to slow down, that his endurance is less, and how do we still feel included in community when people are fast, people are talented, competitive.
Despite this obstacle, Matthew continues his love for gymnastics, even making his dream to go see this SEC Gymnastic Championship this year, announcing Grandview's Dream Week Assembly.
I'm used to assemblies, but I'm not like used to like this whole big gym and like this whole big thing.
You feel really special.
Yeah, like yeah.
Yeah, you see like a college football game or a professional football game, and you see the guys run out. And for me, I wonder like, I wonder what that would be like to, you run out into a stadium or something like that. It was kind of like that. It's just like, oh my gosh, like everybody's cheering, and not for me, but I mean, still walking through that, and everybody's cheering and screaming, and it's crazy.
You are going to attend the SEC Gymnastics Championship in Birmingham, Alabama, from March 20th to March 23rd.
And like when this happened and they said Birmingham, I was like, you've got to be kidding me. Like this is crazy that like our whole family can be part of this experience, because since day one of adopting Matthew, our entire family went to China, and we have been involved from day one for all of our adoptions.
Making his dream come true is only going to inspire Matthew for the rest of his life, one where he wants to be a gymnastics coach.
He sees college in his future, and he sees that he can do all things, and the fact that college, like gymnastics, is something that he looked like, that's how he identifies college, and the fact that he can go see it in person. And there are so many great programs now for children with intellectual disabilities that he can like think that it's even possible to do. So it's like a seed for me. I think this is a seed for Matthew to be like, I've been there, I've met people, they encourage me, I can do this.
I want to be a teacher or assistant coach on gymnastics, because I love the sport and I love teaching, and I always teach at home.
But the celebrations don't stop there, as walls decorated celebrating Matthew helped him feel seen.
I think it's attention to detail for that every person matters.
Becca had asked me to send in some pictures, and that was one of them, and that's my dad's hat, and so it means a lot to me.
Even if Matthew can't look at all of that right now and capture all of that in, or I know he will go back and look and see, oh my gosh, look at Sabrina Carpenter's on there, and I'm trying to like pick up all the pieces and like, oh, there's OU and there's your ramen and all these things, and it's just that attention to detail when you really are relational with someone, you know them, and that is like reflected in all of those walls that like they saw Matthew, they listened.
So fun.
He talks about stuff a lot and just kind of replays it, and oh my gosh, it was the greatest event ever, and so he'll be talking about this for a really long time.
Making this dream come true is part of Grandview's Dream Week 2025.
Maybe a bit much.
Thank you for supporting Matthew this year. This is Jake Chow reporting for GVTV.
I mean, I've seen so many people just come up and introduce themselves to Matthew and just express so much love, and it's really cool, and just so appreciative of you guys and everybody.
Just meeting all of you guys here, and like meeting like the leadership team, and like meeting like how like I got to see like this whole school, and like see like where like the stuff is, like going into the classroom, and like seeing like where everything is. So that's cool that I'm here today. So
There is good today in this world. There's good in kids, and you guys as a school is representing like the good. So we're just going to thank by continuing to represent and give back, because every kid deserves this, and we're just humbled to be part of it.
this is amazing. Like this is truly this is amazing, and like how you guys do this for each kid, but that year it just means so special.
1, 2, 3, dream!